Alright guys, we're at Old School. I've been wanting to hit this for a while, and I didn't know who owned it. At one point in time, there's some construction equipment sitting in here. I didn't know if a construction company had bought it to store equipment, but recently they just put up the Big Walnut Fire Department sign up over there, so that means that either, I think that's county, that might be township, I don't know, either the county or township owns it, so that means it's public property then. So that sign over there answered that question. So I seen that sign the other day when we were going down for an event, birthday party thing. I'm looking over here and not looking at you guys. So that answered that question, and so Troy's on his way. He should be down here pretty soon, and we got a lot to detect. I don't remember where the school sat. That's the boundary right there. They got the boundary marked. I feel like the school sat in here somewhere. It's probably Troy right now calling me. Hello? Alright, he was trying to find it. Look at these trees though. Here's some old trees, guys. I don't know if this has been hit. I'm hoping it hasn't been hit. There's not many people at metal detect in my area. I've seen one person at the old elementary school that I used to go to. He was hunting with a, I think it was a bounty hunter, Fisher Bounty Hunter Pro or something. But just look at these trees though. There's gotta be something here still. There's gotta be, even if it was hit. Beautiful. So, alright guys, there's a basketball court over there, baseball fields, there's playground stuff over there. So, alright, let's get at it. Alright guys, we didn't find nothing up in the front. In fact, the fact of the matter is, this is my first coin. Been at it forever now. I think I've only done like 2 or 3 holes. And there's just junk, or 22 shell was one target. This is my first coin. It's modern dime. So, alright, I found a penny. Let's see what this one is together. Another penny. This has come up in the high 30s. Probably junk. Just like I thought. Junk. $1967. Blah. Got another quarter. 1985. Alright, this one's high 20s. 28-ish. Every site that I think is going to pan out good never does. Oh, I've had solar for a while. It's in my hand. There it is. It looks like clad. Clad dime. At least we're getting something now. Instead of nothing. Alright. Troy got something. Probably silver coin. Was it Washington? Rosie? 47. Mercury? 47. Rosie. Little Rosie. Awesome. And then my
pinpointer died, so it's good timing.
Alright.
I'm gonna go get a new battery.
Yeah, I get a clad dye. And that's how it goes. Ugh. It's like there's more in there. We're over here by where the bathrooms I think used to be. Thought I had a bit up ring for a second because I was laying in there like that. But it's Pepsi! Old though. Got a penny. Looks like Memorial. Alright, it's 23, 24. Clad dime. Alright, it's 23, 24. Clad dime. Found $1. Found $1. No, it's exactly the same one I found at the park the other day.
Oh, that really cute one.
The exact same. I got the exact same ring I found at the park the other day, guys. Exact same ring. What are the odds? This is a 22. Somewhere. Well. Alright, that's not the right target. There. You guys take the trees. Probably can't really see it in the camera. Nice warm autumn day. Humid. Well, at least one of us got silver today. What's that? Trash. Girls, let's go. Get your stuff. Get your stuff. Let's go. Looks like I still got earphones on. Yeah, I'm sure maybe we'll come back one day. Okay. Sure. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.